Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today it's gonna be a night vlog. Obviously it's night already, but this is my first time of doing what
a wig installment.
a wig installment. So it's by my sister. Yeah, I don't have to pay money for this one because that shit is costly. Because I'm not 4 in Jesus' name. But I don't have to pay for this one. But yes, this is my first time, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see if it comes out well. We have an occasion tomorrow, and yeah, that's why I'm like, okay, I'm done with school. I can have time for wig installments. So let's see how it goes. Okay? Okay.
So this is the hair to fix. And
It's like it's coming out well. Hopefully it does. Okay, it's already looking pretty. Is it okay?
yeah, you're comfortable.
Like the bra, the bread, this you never can tell. You know that I would die this. She's a, this girl don't have any respect.
Like, why is even there? Really carefully.
Hey, because that day is a priest is not valued in his homeland. A prophet is not recognized in his homeland. That's what I'm getting now. That's the vibe we are exhibiting. Keep the energy. Keep it constant. The world is looking at you. So, if you make a mistake and did not do it well, everybody will know. Everybody will know. So, if I were you, I get it right. So, better to get it right. You that is pro. It's time to show yourself.
Is that all shit? Is that like the person?
You can redo it, right? So
You do what? You do what?
the person, if it's not good, I don't even want this part.
How did you say you don't have to, like, what idea were you having? Like, I like big like that. Like, what is going on?
This girl is about to do rubbish. So that's the latest of what's going on.
This cannot be that bad.
Ah.
But could your head be dying?
We are really in trouble with this installation. Okay. Every first thing will ever show that it's the first. Cannot. Maybe the testing. Maybe the cap inside is the problem. Job. Because if I had it so thick. Bad, Connie, bad. Bad. Yeah, I have to braid my own hair because free things comes with a price. Your star is 0 star. 0 star. When I'll be trying to remove it, my skin will not balance it. I'm trying to use a forehead because of really it's a measure of pillow. So I'm applying it directly on my forehead. Free stuff. Gotta say. There's so many ways. It's me. I hope it's me. I hope it's me.
That is the style. That is the
Because
unless you want to change the whole thing.
Irel, change me shorting.
When you are saying do it back, do it like no. The relatives are there, you cannot do that one. So
You cannot do which one?
the one that you say let's take out the pattern. Let's not put any pattern. You cannot do that. Your head is not that. Yeah. So you have to cover as much as you can.
Alright, you come and put in her hair before we tie her.
But it's not true.
It will stay. You go near before we tie her. Oh. Free sheets. That's it. Free things. And this thing lazy. So that people will know what you have done.
What are you doing? Can you focus? Focus now. Focus on one thing.
Tight. I think it is not even tie anything.
Hold it. Let it start coming.
I beg, tie something. It's not. Leave it.
Yeah, I would love to do that. What do you not do? Nah, like I would like to know the difference. Exactly, that's like that.
Why is it not very long? How you can bring it to the front?
Now it's you better after that thing the way that you can remove it because you don't want to use it the way that you tied it.
This one needs to be bigger like this so that you can. Because
Well, tie it.
tie it. I don't know what I'm trying to do, but this is not elasting up now. So how does it want? Like, you want me to bust my brain?
I don't want.
Find a way.
What else do you want? What? Okay, the card now. What do you want?
I don't know. Maybe you should straighten it out.
And just do that. That's like this stuff for you. I wanted to do that since
I want-
no pattern like this.
I wanted what you wanted now.
You didn't want anything. There's nothing that you want. What's that one to that time? What's that one? Tell me.
Coins. But this coin it's way out of coin. Is not coin. This is this is income.
What are you doing now?
It's you that. It's not you that know. It's not you that is the hairdresser. Zero star. Oh. Like center part and thing, you know. No, you crazy? Go.
What do you want to do?
I want side parting.
But what?
Combo out that distance. Can I wait for it?
Well, when you have already combed it out in a way that you will not see the curls. So comb it now is like, okay, let's straighten it out. Well, it was supposed to be like.
It was supposed to be like. Can Maria. Marilyn.
Yeah.
I wasn't seeing that vibe.
It was. It was.
It's only this side that gave that vibe.
You're already back in the same sense.
You know what's causing card? Why is it that this one cannot come back?
Because
come out like
this
that?
part, you are very straight like
Who already?
like this of her.
Who already
You're not even giving the two motivation to care.
So if you don't give it motivation,
It's not
it's
fair.
good. See how we don't become somebody human being.
What do you want me to do now?
Do you want to put? What do you want to do? If it's you,
It's
what
your
will you
hair.
do? What will you do?
I will not do anything. It's your hair.
You need to touch it small now.
How? How do you want me to touch it? Like how? Jeez.
Oh, this guy is stressing me. This guy is stressing me. Believe you me.
Stressing. You know it. Please. This is what I'm asking you. What you want for your own hair? What are you doing tomorrow? How does it look? How do you envision the tomorrow?
As always. As I'm supposed to anyways.
Get your face on. Get it. Please, on camera. It's nice. Can you listen?
So when I want to sue you, I can sue you very well.
Please.
Of all the time, even the future time that you get. Me, I'm tired for you too.
The tiredness. No, only me cannot do it.
So after we finished contemplating on what to do to the wig, it came out this way, and I think it was beautiful. Yeah, it was really nice. At least I got a lot of your beautiful comments, and so I guess my sister did a good job. So yeah, so this is the event that we had. This was the next day. Actually, it was a club event of my mom's club, and yeah, we came to slay in the club. Yeah, and I came representing, of course, as I should, as usual. Yeah. So this is my sisters. These guys are something else. They're always happy dancing with aunties in occasion. They're just dancing with my aunties. Like, okay, I just do the recording because I don't know how they feel good about that. So yeah. Why me now? Dancing with my mother, my favorite non-dancers. Like, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, this is my mom and the sisters. Yeah. And then this is us doing what we do best, photobombing their pictures, their videos. Okay, bye. Please subscribe, please, and like this video. Thank you. Bye.